This saw what it was made to be used for. You're a quick learner, right? Wouldn't it? What? Right?
I'm gonna do this a lot.
I really don't need that right about now. And I don't even know where to start. And where do you start?
Should you have long pants on?
See what I'm talking about?
We'll see. You're done.
What?
Nothing. Wow. Full-blown workout. Look at all of this. Wow. Oh, over an hour easily.
That's like an hour.
Oh, it's huge. I was trying to catch it earlier.
See that one up there? Like that?
The real tall one?
That's
Like the
100
tallest
that's
one in the
probably-
forest? Uh-huh.
It's probably 100 feet. No, maybe not 100 feet. I mean, I might be on. Don't do. You don't cut a limb that goes above you. Isn't it crushed?
To that. Yeah, I would say so.
Ryan won!
Woohoo!
Three.
Oh my gosh.
You want to see something cool?
Show me something cool, baby.
So it's this is actual Universal Pot Smoking Day.
Great.
Today, everyone who smokes pot can smoke pot all day, I guess. Not that they wouldn't anyway, right?
Thanks for that useless knowledge.
Right. See the other big tree?
It's kind of an interesting view of the treehouse. I truly do.
Me against the tree, like.
But you won.
I am one with the planet.
Stella?
Stella. Stella!